It's moving day. I woke up super early. It's like 6 in the morning. I'm finishing up some laundry, packing. I'm gonna eat one last breakfast here. I just took a shower. I already know that today is gonna be so hectic, but I'm gonna vlog as much as I can and take you guys along with me. Sorry, the washer's loud. So right now it's 6:30. My brother's coming at 8:30. We're gonna go pick up the U-Haul at 9. 9:30, two of my cousins are coming over to start moving, but I have to go pick up my keys at my apartment, which is 30 minutes away at 10. And I have to film an empty apartment tour, pick up my keys, then come back over here, move. Once we're done moving, film an empty apartment tour here, and then take all the things and unload them. So it's gonna be a long day. I am very, very anxious but excited to be in a new space, so let's do it. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I just have a lot of junk everywhere. I'm finishing up packing up the kitchen, but I'm gonna eat breakfast real quick and then do that. I pretty much have emptied out everything in the kitchen, so the only things that are left are on the counter. Everything else is empty. And then over here I started packing up some of the dry items in the kitchen, just lots of boxes. I only have these 2 boxes left, so hopefully everything else I have left fits in there. I started putting the couch pillows in trash bags so that they don't get dirty, but the cushions are too big to fit, so I have to go buy like the bigger trash bags. And then all of that. The bedroom, I'm starting to put all of the blankets and everything together, but all of the drawers are empty. The bathroom is pretty much done. Last night I went through and emptied everything out. I just took a shower, so I have to put that stuff away. Here's the closet. Closet is all packed up. I'm pretty much almost done. I just have to get everything together, and I have to clean because I don't want to get charged a cleaning fee. So once everything's together, I'm just gonna do like a really quick sweep and like wiping everything down. I'm gonna go run to Walmart really quick to get a mattress cover so that it doesn't get dirty while moving, and also get bigger trash bags. Guys, let me show you one of my favorite things about this apartment is that my apartment is like right in the front on the corner. I can see my car down there from where I park, and so it's close enough to remote start it. It's like 34 degrees, but I think the wind chill is like 26 or 27. And so from this apartment, I've always been able to remote start it. Don't know if you guys are gonna hear it, but if I click it, you'll hear my car beep. And so I can always have my car cool down or heated off and by the time I get down. So I don't really know what the parking situation at my new apartment is like, but hopefully I can still park close enough to be able to do this. Walmart did not have any more mattress covers, so I just got 2 of these furniture covers that I'm gonna wrap around and then just tape them together to make sure that my mattress does not get dirty, because last year the movers definitely dropped my bare mattress on the dirt. I'm so stupid. I didn't know this was only 5 bags, but also the cushions don't even fit. So I'm just gonna throw the cushions into the U-Haul, and I'll just have to clean them when I get there because these bags do not fit. time update, it's 8:40. My brother just got here, so we're gonna go pick up the U-Haul. I think I'm gonna make him drive the U-Haul. I mean, I could drive it. We'll see. Let's go get the U-Haul. Okay, just got the U-Haul and gonna take it back. This truck is not, it's not that big, and I used to work at the YMCA, and I had to drive a bus, so I'm pretty confident that I can drive this. Let me put this down. This camera's probably gonna fall. My brother. Okay. Oh, the lighting is bad. Weird. Okay, yeah, I got this. The bus that I drove was a lot bigger. I'm just gonna go slow. Okay, so my brother, two of my cousins are here helping me move. We've only been moving for like 20 minutes and there's already a lot of progress that's been made. So this is what it looks like right now, and then the U-Haul is down there. They definitely have a lot more than I thought I did. Once we're done moving, I'm definitely gonna have to go through and do just like a quick sweep and clean just to make sure everything is nice and good. Cheesecake break. When you're moving and want a glass of wine, but you packed all of your cups. First energy drink of the day. We're almost done moving. Literally, it's empty. I'm double checking and I forgot a whole drawer in the kitchen. I also forgot all of those. Ugh. Kind of just want to throw this stuff away because we're literally done. And that was the only thing that got left. Took about 3 hours to get everything out, so we are gonna head to Walmart really quickly. I have to write a money order for my rent for my new apartment. We're gonna put some gas in the U-Haul. So right behind me, my brother is driving the U-Haul. I'm in my car, and my car is like all the way loaded up, like from front to back. And then my cousins who are helping me move, they went to go get Wendy's or something. They're gonna meet us there. So let's go. Time check, it's like 1:46. Just my luck. This Walmart, the money services are down, so I can't get a money order. So we're just gonna head over to the apartment, and I'm gonna go to a Walmart close to there, but I can't move in until I have this money order. For the first time, you can't pay online with a card, cash. It has to be a money order or cashier's check. So it's about a 30-minute drive over there. We're gonna go to the apartment, and hopefully the Walmart over there has money orders. Okay, time check, it's 4:14. Moving in is a lot quicker than moving out, and my sister, her boyfriend, and my other cousin are about to come, so we're gonna have 3 more people. And so this is what we have so far. We're just pretty much putting things anywhere, and then I'll move them around and unpack later. And then this is what we have so far in the bedroom. So moving in is definitely a lot quicker. It is 7:38. Your girl is tired. So we finished moving around 5, but I had to take the U-Haul back, drive my brother back to his car, and I have not eaten anything since that cheesecake clip, which I think was like 8 hours ago. So got myself some Raising Cane's. Yeah, everything is in. This has been such a long day. I'm so excited. I love this apartment, and I'm so excited to unpack and get settled in. I need a shower so bad, but I literally don't know which box anything is in. So it's gonna be a long night, but stay tuned for more apartment unpacking videos, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna go because I'm starving. Peace.